Yeah, this one.
Oh,
Have you seen it?
he's so fast.
Yeah, he is so fast and look like it's a stain. Yeah,
He is
that's
camouflaged.
why.
He is camouflaged with the stem of this plant,
Yes.
and this is Azadirachta plant.
Yeah.
In Hindi, we say it Neem plant,
Yeah.
and it is good for environment, good for human, and repel all harmful insects, so that we are protected from the mosquitoes, which are
Harmful for
vectors
us.
vectors and you can't identify this larvae, which is looking like a stem of this neem plant. So this is amazing that you are not able to identify where the larvae of this insect.
Yeah, its adult is also look
Now
like.
it is moving.
Yeah.
It's moving, so you are able to know that there is something.
Just see.
Yes.
See this larva.
Yeah.
How it is react.
Yes.
Yeah,
And it's
it's
moving very fast, although it has
and
very
its
few
movement
legs.
is also very different. It comes under looper.
We have zoomed.
Yeah, just see.
We have zoomed the camera to see the size and the structure of this larvae,
And it is very beautiful.
but it's not able to give some clear picture
Because it is not professional camera, but still we want to capture some good pictures from this.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Now it's moving. It's trying out to find some new stem of this plant
to feed them.
No, it's moving very fast. Oh my god. Its movement is very amazing.
Yes.
Oh my god. Yes. This larva is coming under the leaf. Oh. There is some other insect, or you can say it's adult stage of this immature stage larvae. And now it's moving on this leaf. Even it is camouflage on the underside of larvae. Oh, it is attacking on the adult insect. Now see the position of this. It's very amazing. We say that this neem plant keep away insects, but it has also some insect pests which feed on the neem plant.
Yes, and neem plant is used as a pesticide, and it's with so many insecticide which is made from neem is like Azadirachta.
Yes, molting hormone agonist.
Yeah. We can also focus its movement of.
But we have already zoomed it.
Yeah.
Although it is
And,
very small,
Yeah.
and we have zoomed it up to 3 times, Then we have zoomed up to it about 6 times, right? But it's not giving a clear picture, so we cannot zoom it above it. Yes. So I think we have captured a lot of movement of this
larvae,
larvae.
and hopefully you can enjoy this